how to make your ex miss you after no contact, even if she moved on. Hello everyone, my name is Fabien and I've been a dating coach for men since 2017. And this is a question I often get when men book a free session to review their situation. And I help them during this session create a personalized action plan to win back their ex or a specific girl who ghosted them. And obviously, every situation is different. And since I don't know your specific case yet, in this video will address multiple people at once. And one technique I can share is the orbiting technique. I will give you an example by sharing the story of a client I recently coached. To protect his identity, we are going to call him Patrick. Patrick got dumped and his ex had moved on for several weeks. It was complete radio silence. But I told him, if you want to start making her miss you, we need to use the orbiting technique or orbiting technique. You get my point. You have to make sure she hears about you indirectly. For example, have a friend post a picture of you at a party. Organize a nice, for example, like a cocktail night at your place and invite mutual friends you share with your ex or with this particular girl. Of course, people will take photos, post stories, and if your ex follows them, she will see you. You could also plan a hiking trip, for example, in like a nature getaway or a fun weekend with one or more mutual friends you and your ex have in common. The goal? That these people tell her how amazing it was to spend time with you, how well you organized everything and gave them a great experience. You see, this orbiting technique makes your ex start realizing she's missing out. And you can make her miss you even if she claims she's moved on by staying and directly present in her world. And guess what? Who slowly started liking Patrick's stories again? Who, after weeks of radio silence, began replying positively to his messages? Exactly, his ex became far more open to reconnecting. If you want tailored strategies to make your specific girl miss you, even if she's over it, book your free breakthrough session with me or a member of my team. We will analyze your situation, create a step-by-step plan to win her back. So click the link below this video to claim your free session now.